There's a new, let's just say there's a new Discord. So, oh my god. Oh my god. I didn't know how big this was. That's what she said. I guess this will be our new side piece. This will be our new side piece. Oh my god, this thing is huge. You should look up the dragon from Mulan. It suits hide-ups. No, I think this would suit something better. Cheeked up Spyro. Someone's gonna come in here and be confused. Alright, someone's gonna be... I swear to God, if I get a... if I get like a little age restriction or something for this, I'm gonna be so pissed. Come on, man. It's just a cartoon. Come on, like... Let's not be babies here. It's just a cartoon, chat. It's just a cartoon, right? Let's not be babies here. Let's be mature adults, okay? Let's be mature adults here. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Oh my god. This is fucking ridiculous. No, I don't know what you're talking about. This is perfect. Perfect. I'm gonna be honest here. I kind of want to hide the butt. Wait, hold on. This is kind of ridiculous. Let's just hide the butt. Let's do that. For the most part, let's just... I don't know if you can hide all that, though. Wait. I don't know if you can hide all that. Oh my god. Just a cartoon? Yeah. You know what? I know that's you. What this is. Yeah, I don't know what your voices. Okay, I don't know if we can keep this one. I want to be honest. This is kind of ridiculous. The more I think, the more I'm like... Bro, the more the AI gets trained, they're gonna know what this is, alright? But it's so perfect. I want to keep it. Wait, can we, like, put it on the... No, we definitely can't put it on the desk. I don't know if we can keep this one. Hide it behind the tree. We might actually have to. Wait. We gotta hide all that ass. Chat, we gotta hide all that. Oh, wait. Oh, wait, we can just put it over here. Wait, good, we can hide. Yeah, we can hide it. Oh my god. All that. Oh my god. It's just a dragon, chat. If someone asks, what are you talking about? What is that? What is that up there? It's just his tail. What is this? It's just his tail. What are you talking about? What is this? It's just his tail, Chad. Just act normal. Hey, Chad. If Twitch staff comes in here or something, it's just his tail. Just act normal, Chad. Just it's his tail. Obviously, like, look, it's his tail. Shh. You just ruined my voice, Spyro straight. Oh my god. Then what's sticking out at the top? His tail. It's just a very weirdly shaped tail. Do I tell you how to draw your own dragons? No. Don't tell me how to draw my own. Very well endowed, plump boy, alright? Bro, is his tail? Bro. Opened up the bakery. Oh, yeah, bro got cake. I ain't gonna lie. Bro got cake. All right, this is a bakery. Bro got that cake. Idiot King is in here making some, what was this be? Grape cake? Yeah, some grape cake. All right. We're in the bakery as we speak, boys. Oh my god. Me when I lie. I'm not lying. No, what you talking about? It's his tail. Bro, this is ridiculous though. Oh my god. Okay, maybe we shouldn't. Maybe not all the cake. Maybe we shouldn't show all the cake. You know, you gotta stay modest in this world, chat. You gotta stay modest. Okay, you gotta stay modest. Oh my god. You know what? Yeah, right there. I'm definitely gonna delete this VOD. Oh, thank you for the membership, Blade. I'm definitely going to church after this one. Yeah, show me to your priest. He'll be proud of me. Hey, that's the prime boy right there. So if you're seeing this live, hey, this is live. This is live. But yep, boys, this is Fat Spyro. Nothing bad at all is happening. No, oh my god, wait, I just realized there's just... He's just fat, by the way. Oh my, how do you... Wait, hold up. How about we do this? There we go. He's just fat. He's just fat, by the way. Early fish gets the worm. Oh, you missed. You already missed a little bit.
Get Frogan, my beloved, out of the set.
Frogan? Oh no, Frogan's staying in the set. Frogan is staying in the set. Don't even think about it. Nope, that's my baby girl now. Frogan is staying in the set. Why are you fat shaming? No one's fat shaming here. If anything, we're being inclusive. Look at our boy Spyro. Look at him. Maybe he's chilling. Bro's big chilling over there. Bro is big chilling in his corner. Look at him. If anything, he's eyeing up my cotton candy. Hey, he's eyeing up my cotton candy blizzard. Y'all see that? Wait, hold up. I don't think y'all see that. Hold up. Y'all see this fat fuck trying to get my blizzard? Look at this boy. He's trying to get the blizzard. Look at his... He's grabbing for it. Chat, look. He's grabbing for it. He wants my blizzard. Hey, he wants my blizzard. Chat. Hell. Ah! Who did it? Who did it? Which one of you did it? Low tier for tea. How could you? That's why you're Spyro. Grabbing for my cotton candy blizzard.